Well, thank you for your patience and me trying to figure out my headset and everything.
Yeah, it's okay.
So before we get started, anything you want to talk about or anything that you have questions about? It doesn't have to be something that happened today, anything from last week or within
Mm.
this last couple days that you think.
Yeah, I think with renaming documents, I'm not sure if that's the topic for today. For the ESS and Master ESS and then FSS, I get confused with the three.
Yeah, so actually that is our topic for this week. Is identifying the different types of settlement statements
Mm.
because they all look they look exactly the same, I would say. And but there are like key things that we can look for when we're renaming those documents. So yes, it falls this week's topic does fall within the renaming of topics from previous trainings,
Mhm.
but we are going to be focusing specifically on the settlement statements.
Yeah, and one more thing for the loan docs. I noticed that some of the loan docs that I receive, sometimes they are two. And then when I check, like for example, one is 117 pages and then the other one is 118, but most of the documents are the same. What does, so I just rename it loan docs one and then loan docs two. Is that correct?
So it could be for the reason why you got two separate loan docs were
Mhm.
because right now we are doing our Dream for All um, loans
Mhm.
that require because it's a down payment assistance program that
Mhm.
falls as a second lien. So that one has to have separate loan docs. So it can
Oh.
be that that's the reason why there's two set of loan docs, especially since there's different pages to it.
Mhm. Yeah.
Um, one of them is going to be for the first lien, which is the one that we're working on, and then the second one is going to be for the assistance that the bar is receiving.
Okay, so with the two separate documents, what is the difference? Like, what should I check on those to see?
Let me start sharing my screen. Um, and let me see if I can find a set. So, for example, this one right here, it was labeled first and second.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
if we look at this one, this one is 125 pages. This one's 131 pages. So if we look at this closing instruction page
Mm-hmm.
on page 3 for both of them, if you see this loan number right here, loan amount,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
it's 560 versus the loan amount for this one is 140. So this
Oh.
set of documents right here, it's labeled incorrectly. It says it's a first. This one should be the second lien because
Oh.
this 140 is the one for the down payment assistance.
Where will I cross check that? Like, which one is the first and which one is the second?
So the first lien is always going to have the higher loan amount. The
Uh,
second, it's always going to be either if it's a HELOC, HELoan, or in this case, a down payment assistance that they're receiving.
mhm.
That loan amount for that second lien is going to be less than the first lien.
Mhm. Okay, gotcha.
So that's kind of like looking just at the top of it. If you look at the oh, I'm sorry. If you look at the, let me see if this one has a note. So this note,
Mhm.
this one right here,
Mhm.
is for the 560. It's for the first lien. Um, versus the second one that has the 140,000. If you can see, the note specifically is for California Housing Finance Agency Dream for All program. So again, this one is for a down payment assistance. The assistance specifically is called Dream for All. So
Mhm.
that's how we would know that this document is for this copy of loan doc is for the second lien.
Okay.
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 Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
No.